Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Uzma Shah in Shah Grammar with lesson number 1 part E. Yeah viewers, today we are going to complete our basic English knowledge and we will learn phrase, clause and sentence. Before this we have already learned letter, word, article and prefix, suffix. If you have missed these videos, please watch these are very informative. Phrase. Let's see its definition. Phrase is a group of two or more words in sentence related to each other, acting as a single unit, but does not have subject and a verb. Basically, it does not give complete meaning. So, viewers, what is phrase? It is a collection of two or more words, but it does not give any meaning. Why? Because it does not have basic elements, subject and verb. It is called phrase. What is subject and verb? Subject is a doer and the work is done by subject is called verb. These are basic elements to make a sense and a meaning. So you have understood what is phrase. Phrase is a group of two or more words but does not have subject and verb. That's why it does not give any meaning. So you will better understand with the help of examples. Now see the examples of phrases. On the table, it is a phrase. It is a group of words but it does not have any meaning. In the dark of night, it is also a phrase. It is also a group of words, but you see that there is no meaning in the what is in the dark of night, what is on the table, over the rainbow, for a while. These are phrases, but viewers, when we use these phrases in the sentences, then they will give a complete meaning, such as the book is on the table. Now it is clear. The book is, what is on the table? The book is on the table. The book is placed on the table. So book is subject, is this linking word, and on the table is our phrase. Now it is clear. Now see the next example. She was lost in the dark of night. Now she is our subject, was is linking verb and lost is main verb. So she was lost in the dark of night. The lady was lost. One lady was lost in the dark of night. It is clear now. Now see, he knew it was over the rainbow. Here he is subject, knew is our main verb, was is linking verb and over the rainbow is phrase. So it is giving a complete meaning. For a while, please wait for a while. Now please wait for a while. Now it is giving a complete meaning. So viewers, you saw that when we use phrases in the sentences, then it will give a complete meaning. Otherwise they don't have any meaning. Yeah guys, if you still have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe it and click the bell icon so you will receive new videos. And if you like our video, so please like it immediately. Clause. Let's see its definition. A clause is a group of words in a sentence that have a subject and a predicate verb. Clause gives complete meaning and can even be a complete sentence when it stands alone. So guys, what is clause? Clause is a group of words, or we can say it is a collection of words which contains subject and predicate verb both, and it gives complete meaning and it can be a complete sentence. Guys, have you noted the difference between clause and phrase? There is a big difference. In case of phrase, the phrase does not have subject and verb both. That's why it does not give complete meaning. Whereas clause have subject and predicate both. That's why it gives complete meaning. And it can be a complete sentence. Let's see its examples. I graduated last year. It is a single clause sentence. In this sentence, or we can say in this clause, I is a subject and graduated last year is a predicate. And in this predicate, the graduated is a main verb. So I graduated last year is a clause and it is a single clause sentence and it has complete meaning. Now come to the second example, two clauses sentence. When I came here, I saw him. It is two. There are two clauses. When I came here, first clause, I saw him, second clause. I is a subject and came is main verb. And in second clause, I is subject and saw is main verb. So it is a single sentence having two clauses and both the clauses have complete meaning. When I came here, I saw him. Now come to the third one. It has three clauses sentence. When I came here, I saw him and he greeted me. There are three clauses and all three clauses have both verb and subjects, and all three clauses have complete meaning themselves. So it is three clauses sentence. So guys, have you understood that what is clause? Clause is a group of words which contains subject and predicate and gives complete meaning. Sentence. Yeah guys, we will discuss now sentence, and here we will give you a brief intro regarding sentence. Otherwise we have a series of videos regarding sentence, pattern of sentence, structures of sentence and types of sentence. So let's see its primary definition. Sentence is a set of words or combination of words that is complete in itself and typically containing a subject and predicate. So what is sentence? Sentence is a set of words, we can say combination or collection of words, but most important thing, it is complete from all aspects, it is complete in itself. It will give you complete meaning and typically containing a subject and predicate. The two main portions of sentence are subject and predicate. Subject and predicate will make a sentence. So guys, we will give you some examples so it will be more clear for you. Yeah guys, as we have learned, the sentence contains two main portions, subject and predicate. Let's see. She was lost in the dark of night. It is a complete sentence, and in this sentence she is our subject. What is subject? Subject is doer. So she is subject, and rest of the part which is written in the blue color, was lost in the dark of night, it is predicate. Except subject, the rest of the part in the sentence, it is called predicate. So she and predicate will make a sentence. She was lost in the dark of night, it is a complete sentence. And in the dark of night, it is, which is underlined with the red color, it is phrase we use in the sentence. Now come to the second example. He knew it was over the rainbow. He is our subject and knew it was over the rainbow is predicate, and over the rainbow, which is underlined with red color, it is phrase. So it is very simple. According to primary definition, it is very easy and simple that subject and predicate will make a sentence. Now see one important thing, that phrase can be a part of sentence, but sentence cannot be a part of phrase. So guys, we use a phrase in the sentence, in the dark of night. In the above example, she was lost in the dark of night. In the dark of night is a phrase. So we can use the phrase in the sentence, but we cannot use the sentence in the phrase. So it is clear now. And now see, we have completed our all the topics of basic English knowledge, and all the topics are very informative. If you have missed any one, so please watch it carefully. Yes guys, if you have any query and question, so please contact us on our Facebook page Shah Grammar, and email ID uzmashahw@gmail.com. Yeah guys, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon so you will receive new videos. Like our videos. If you have any comment, please comment and share with your friends. Thank you.